What's the meaning of bruschetta? Bruschetta. Bruschetta.
Bruschetta. Bruschetta. Bruschetta is an Italian dish that typically consists of grilled bread rubbed with garlic and topped with tomatoes, olive oil, salt, and sometimes other ingredients such as basil or mozzarella cheese. The bread used for bruschetta is usually a rustic, unsalted loaf like ciabatta or sourdough. This simple yet flavorful dish is often served as an appetizer or snack in Italy and has gained popularity around the world. The result is a delicious and satisfying combination of crunchy bread, juicy tomatoes, and savory seasonings that make for a perfect light meal or starter.